lockdown 2020. The only thing on my mind is to be able to swim in Croatia again, feeling the waves, the Mediterranean sun, and to finally be able to take my parents with me. Well, my wish has been granted, and we were on our way to Croatia. More importantly, to Primošten in Croatia. Out of this excitement, I drove almost the whole way there, which, to be more exact, is about 1,170 kilometers. Nothing was going to stop me from getting there. And when we arrived in Primošten, as always, it was magical. And because we were a little bit later in the summer months, and because of the situation in the world, it wasn't too crowded. Imagine this, going for the whole day in the sun, in the water. And the water, as always, helps us relax there. You can really spend a lot of time by the beach, and the water is crystal clear, like the most crystal clear water you can get. And thanks to this, you can really enjoy your time there. And then after that, going out into the town, getting amazing ice cream, eating pizza, and having kittens overlooking us while we eat. What more can I ask for? And one funny thing is, while we were eating the pizza and being overlooked by the kittens, one of the people that watches our videos actually was there with us. It was a very cool experience to hear from my dad that he was talking with other people that got into that town because of us, that they somehow got into Primošten the same time we did. So it was a very cool and very funny experience, something that I would never ever think would happen. We were also able to go on a little hike above Primošten, beautiful viewpoint. We just got there just before the sun set, and it was beautiful. The color palette, the moon rising from the other side, it was perfect. This year we didn't travel too much in Croatia. We pretty much got to Primošten for 2 weeks and then out of it. It was a different situation because of the situation in the world with the whole pandemic, but we were still happy that we got to be there. So this was actually exactly my wish, and even more, in a year that closed everyone home. So if I could have one wish this year, one dream that I have right now, is to be able to visit Croatia again.